and Mouse became friends forever.
No, he's not in the camper van.
In an Asian desert where the sun shines bright, cartoon all-stars ready to take flight. With hearts so bold they rise above the fray. Adventure calls them, guiding their way. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Chasing dreams and laughter in a world we'll grow. With lion and mouse, love spark ignites. Together we'll conquer through the endless nights. He's a handful of trouble, but oh what a charm. With his friends by his side, they'll weather the storm. In magical lands they'll uncover the truth. In every mission there's wonder of you. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Cartoon, we must go. We must go. Chasing dreams and laughter in a world the real will grow. World will grow. With lion and mouse, love sparking lights. Together we'll conquer through the endless nights. He's a handful of trouble, but oh what a charm. With his friends by his side, they'll weather the storm. In magical lands they'll uncover the truth. In ever we'll conquer through the endless nights. From desert sands to the sky so clear, every step taken brings us near. With courage and friendship as our guide, in this beautiful world we won't hide. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Chasing dreams and laughter in a world we'll grow. Lion and mouse, love spark ignites. Together we'll conquer through the endless night.
Hey there, everybody. Want to see something pop-tastic? Hop. Skip.
Huh?
Here you go.
Yay! Sorry, Quack, but we dropped everything to come to movie night.
And heads up, belly up.
Airmail. Thank you, Zach. I wouldn't risk movie night for all the flies in the garden.
Nice catch! Hey, guys, what are you doing?
Hey, Kira. We were just coming to find you. Here's your invite.
Wow! Thank you.
We've just got one left to deliver. To you, of course. Movie night wouldn't be the same without my best buddy. Everyone comes over to my treehouse, we turn out the lights, then we watch my favorite movie, Creature from the Pop-Up Lagoon. Aw, come back, buddy. Movie night's gonna be fun, not spooky.
The movie's only make-believe, Quack. Yeah. The creature's not even that spooky. Well, he is slimy. And growly. Well, maybe it's a little spooky.
Quack, there's gonna be popcorn. Yeah, popcorn. You can't have movie night without it. Want to help me pop up the popcorn popper? Huh?
I think your popcorn popper's pooped out. Guess we'll just have to watch Creature from the Pop-Up Lagoon without popcorn.
Oh, Quack. Don't worry. We've still got time to get some popcorn before movie night starts.
As a special treat, I hid an extra sherbet termite in little Sandy and Hobart's bag. But there are still loads left. I think you should all take an extra one, just for luck.
Come on, let's go find some popcorn.
And when I've shared my prize with everyone, all the rest will be for me.
Come on, let's go find the others.
Here's their seat number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quickly now, everyone. The show is about to begin.
Madame Gazelle, I need the toilet. Oh, Pedro. Sorry. Thank you.
Quickly now, Pedro.
I've never been to the theatre before. It's exciting, isn't it? Sorry. Thank you.
Shh, children. Everyone quiet now.
What's that music? The show is starting.
Sorry, everyone.
It is not the start of the show. It is Madame Gazelle's phone ringing.
Wow! Whose phone is that? That really is the show starting. Longer hair ones, brown ones, black ones, brown and black ones, fluffy ones, messy ones, and there are tidy ones. Here you go. If you were my very own guinea pig, I would take you everywhere. I would always take you shopping with Mum. I would take you to the cinema and the library. I would take you everywhere. What are you doing?
I'm remembering something. What was I talking about?
Oh, she's a bit forgetful.
Sure, they have a hero welcome. See you soon.
See ya! Do you know what time it is? Oh, hi.
Oh, there you are, Ellie. Hello again, everyone, and hello to. Oh, I thought I heard our special friends, the Teletubbies. Did you see them?
Yeah.
You did? Well, where did they go?
I was just thinking the same thing. Maybe they're playing a game?
I wonder, what sort of game? Perhaps it's a counting game.
Oh, there's only one superhero for a counting game.
That's right, Super Num Tum. Let me go and get him.
Okay.
You wait here, and I'll be right back.
I couldn't find them anywhere.
Oh, Super Num Tum. You missed the Tubbies. Mr. Mayor was here, but now he's not. I think there's some sort of game going on.
Right. We need to solve this. Can you help me count?